Good evening, children. Open your English books to page number 1. Page number 1. Unit 1. Patha 1. Jumbo of Indian cricket. Anil Kumble. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ, KABBADI, ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ. Kabaddi is a team game. 2 teams with 7 players each occupy opposite halves of a field. The first team sends a member known as the raider to the other half of the field to attack. This person has to keep saying kabaddi, kabaddi all the time, holding the breath, and try to win points for his team by touching or pulling members of the opposite team and getting them out. The team on the other side tries page number 2 ತೆಗಿರಿ, to form a chain and catch the raider to get a point for their team. They try to stop the raider from going to the home side before taking a breath. This is a very exciting game. Kabaddi is derived from a Hindi and Punjabi word meaning holding the breath. In Western India, the game is known as Hoo-Too-Too. In Eastern India, it is also known as Ha-Do-Do. The game is played for 40 minutes with a 5-minute half-time break. Both men and women play this game. ಈ ಪಾಠ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಪಾಠ ಮನೆಯಾಗ ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.